XRP's all-time high is programmed. What the hell does that mean? We're going to find out. All right, so the title of this video that I'm going to be reacting to is from Moon Lambo. XRP's all-time high is programmed. Could this be real? Make sure you stick around to the end too, where I give you my reaction and thoughts to that title.
Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel. XRP continues to go higher. At the time that I'm recording this, it's 57.4 cents.
Okay, 57 cents when he recorded this. Really quickly, let's just go look at the price today, just to make sure that, since the all-time high is programmed, let's just make sure we're on the right track. Okay, so at the time of recording this, February 19th, XRP is at 55 cents. So it's even went down from that video. Anyway, guys, don't worry. In this video, we're going to find out why the all-time high is already programmed. Oh, let's get back to it.
And by the way, broad expectations from many analysts that Bitcoin is about to go much, much, much higher. Now, if that happens, it doesn't take a wizard to kind of speculate that there's a good chance the whole market goes up, including XRP. At some point, this thing's just going to break away.
Yeah.
XRP,
these analysts are right a lot.
As far as I'm concerned. An all-time high is programmed. It's going to happen.
It's programmed.
And no conspiracy stuff. Nobody get wacky with me. That XRP is highly likely to hit a new all-time high. Because look, if the market's going to go, XRP's a part.
XRP is likely to hit all-time high. Okay, that we want that to happen, but let's not say it's likely. Already from the time this video shot to now, it's went down. It's not even moving in that direction. Come on. And Bitcoin is going up.
Part of the market. It's clearly one of the most adopted, successful cryptocurrencies in history. Give me a good reason that the whole market would go, but XRP wouldn't. So that's why I'm saying.
I don't know.
Literally, I understand Bitcoin doesn't go.
XRP never goes. Like maybe that's why.
But that's why I say XRP programmed to go to a new all-time high. If Bitcoin's going to go, the whole market's going to go.
Program, guys.
And those cryptocurrencies that have actual usefulness in the space, those will be the coins that hit new all-time highs. In this video, but it does look like the bottom is in for XRP.
The bottom is in.
I don't know what day, but you're going to wake up. You're going to think that you're looking at your phone wrong. You'll think you're looking at a different cryptocurrency. You'll look at the price and be like, oh, well, hot damn, that actually is XRP. Today is the day.
Yeah, I've been hearing that for 6 years, that we're going to wake up one day, we're going to look at our phone, look at the computer, and we're going to fall to the ground because our face is going to melt, right? Well, I keep hearing it. And that hasn't even close to been happening, but it's right around the corner, guys, because XRP's all-time highest programs. We're okay. We're okay. What the fuck?
That is exactly how it goes.
That's how it goes.
Win. Been holding it for over 6 years, and I believe it's absolutely going to melt faces when this thing gets going, as long as Bitcoin continues to lead the way.
How many times do we hear that, guys? Melt faces.
So on that front, what should we expect? Well, here's the latest from Credible Crypto.
What should we expect?
XRP-specific stuff. I don't think you should expect anything of similar magnitude anytime soon. In the quoted tweet below, I said we won't see greater than 30% pullbacks until after new all-time highs.
What do y'all think about that? Okay, so again, everybody's entitled to their opinion. Cool. Understand, guys, technical analysis is just probabilities based on history, right? History repeats itself, market moves and trends, all that stuff. But he believes that that's the last major dip before the all-time high. Personally, I don't believe that because everybody always says that. We'll see. Maybe he'll give us some type of analysis and we can look at it together.
Everything is pointing to continued aggressive upside imminently.
Everything is pointing to continued aggressive upside. It's went down since this video. What the heck? It's pointed to the upside aggressively because it's programmed.
RSI entering extreme bull zones again, wave/market structure, etc. Sit back, enjoy the ride.
Enjoy the ride. The market XRP's going down.
Now that is some boldness right there.
Yeah, no shit.
I would love for that to be the case, and he could be right.
Hey, really quickly, give me a thumbs up on this video. Make a nice comment if you are finding value in any way in this video. An XRP all-time highs program. Make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to give you my reaction and thoughts to this.
All sorts of analysts believe that that was the bottom, including...
Well, it doesn't really matter what all the analysts believe because we know when they say something, it usually does the opposite.
The blockchain backer, for example, he was talking about that day. He believed, not that you know for sure, but he was saying that's what he thinks is most probable. We
most probably, yeah. It's went down since this video, so
when all sorts of
pretty
people
probable.
are talking about selling XRP, they're selling their XRP, they're getting out. My God, the amount of bitching about XRP on the internet through the roof. Haven't seen it like that in years. And so you could just tell, like, that's typically what we see.
The amount of bitching is justified. Everything's taken off right now except XRP. Everybody's been saying on YouTube that XRP is going to the moon for years. I remember 6 years ago, the Variable Bull constantly was talking about how XRP was going to the moon. That was 6 years ago. So everybody's bitching because they're sick and tired of it. They're sick and tired of people here on the internet constantly saying that we're going to the moon. And then it's not. That's why they're bitching, man. That's why they're bitching.
Capitulation.
And secretly underneath,
so
you're probably bitching
that's
too.
The case. And here you have Credible Crypto saying, yeah, don't expect any pullback. So again, what does that mean for XRP? Probably nothing much to the downside. If we really did just see the bottom there, and we're still waiting to make sure that it stays above the support level of 54 cents, but assuming that's the case, XRP is programmed to new all-time high. That's what's up.
No.
Take a look at this, by the way.
Okay. I'm going to give my thoughts on that. Make sure y'all stick around to the end, too. I give you my thoughts on that.
Then you have this from Crypto Insight UK. Said Bitcoin targeting $56,000 plus. Now, folks, again, if that happens, what do you think that means for XRP? Some think that...
Okay, so first of all, this is the 4-hour chart. All right. So I think they said that Bitcoin, he's predicting Bitcoin right there, targeting 56,000. One thing I'm going to say is if you look right here, you draw that support line, Bitcoin is working up. You can draw that channel. What a lot of people out there will probably tell you is we'll hit this, we'll bounce around, and ultimately he's projecting inside of this zone. Understand this is the 4-hour chart, but I will give you this about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's trend is up. We just broke the resistance. We should expect a pullback and keep going to higher highs and higher lows. So $56,000 is definitely not crazy talk. XRP programmed all-time high, that might be.
We're going to be having some fun soon, methinks. That's my for fun guess. Oh, and take a look at this. Just the headline's enough, really. XRP makes huge jump, achieves 1.6 billion trading.
Did XRP really make a huge jump? I think it went from 53 cents to 57 cents, and now it's back down to 55. So did it really make a huge jump? See, headlines like that, that's what gets people sick. Right there.
That's gigantic. Actually, it probably more than that. I mean, it kind of depends on when you're looking at it, but, you know, you may see like...
Is that really gigantic?
800 million for a 24-hour period. Sometimes you may see like 900, sure.
I don't know. Maybe.
Every now and then a little over a billion.
It's gigantic.
But this is
come on.
double what it was before. I'll take it. And yeah, we're going to have much bigger moves in single days in the future. But hey, you know.
That's right. XRP's last to go.
Here's a post from Chart Analyst.
Oh, here we go.
He said, solid performance today by XRP. Finally got the daily close above 54 cents. Price has reached our green resistance at 57.85 cents. Now we wait for the weekly close.
All right, so I got several comments about doing some analysis whenever they get on there so we can cut through some of this bullshit. All right, let me show you this chart. All right, so he drew this area right here. Okay, you can see it came up, hit that. First of all, technical analysis, guys, is just it's a probability game. It's not a certainty, just so we know. Now, it broke through this resistance. You can call it a supply zone. Right, it broke through it and it pulled back. So what this analyst, this crypto toes, was saying that he extended it out here. And when you break the resistance, it's supposed to act as new support. So in this particular case, this had been an area in the past that had given a lot of problems. So we broke back above it. That's that 54 area. Now he's saying we hit the 57 resistance. You can take this, you can draw this triangle down. He drew this right here. That's good. The way he drew this is fine. So this is that 50-cent level he's talking about, the resistance. If we can get above it, which obviously we didn't because it's back down here at 55. We know that now. But if we can break through it, he'll probably tell you that it's going to come up to 65. So anyway, that's just reading the chart. He drew it well, but, you know, we already know that shit went back down to 55.
Then there's also this from Nick, same guy here, Nick Crypto Crusader.
Here we go from Nick.
XRP price chart on your screen here, and he said, if the XRP momentum can continue, this weekly candle close could be very, very bullish and interesting. I'm really watching for a clean break above the trend line. So far, we have regained all weekly EMAs. Let's see if we can hold the line until Sunday and push over 60 cents for the...
Okay, so let's talk about this. So right here, if the XRP momentum continues on the weekly time frame, so this is the weekly chart, right? You see we bounced off his little support level right there. It could be very bullish. Well, first of all, if you're looking at technical analysis, you got this trend line. That's right around the 60-cent mark, which is what he says, right? If we can get up to that 60 cents, the real fireworks are going to be in. Yeah, I don't know about that. Okay, so because if it does break this, again, based on technical analysis, it could go to 70 cents. 70 cents is not real fireworks to me, okay? Now, if we can get above this, you know, that 75 cents, then what we would do for technical analysis is you take this 50 cents, right? If it gets up there and breaks, you can project 20 cents. Then you can target 90 cents. But, well, that shit's got a long ways to go. So, if it breaks this trend line, y'all, that doesn't, again, it doesn't mean shit. It's got to at least break the 75 cents, and then we could go to 90 cents. But still, I don't call that fireworks, man. Let's get the $1 first before we start talking about fireworks and fucking booms and all that shit, dude. Come on.
But just remember, if you're sad about where XRP is right now, or you have been recently, that sentiment happens in every crypto community out there. Every single one of them. All of them.
We've been sad about XRP for years.
It's just
years with good reason.
That's just what it is, and it's silly ass nonsense. This is the time to be.
It's not silly ass nonsense. It's not silly ass nonsense. We're sick and tired of this shit. It's not silly ass nonsense.
Excited so far as I can.
Okay, so XRP's all-time high is programmed. Here's my reaction to that. Me personally, in that video, I didn't see anything that justified this all-time high being programmed. I don't even know what the hell that means. All I know is based on the analysis of that technical analyst, he predicted 54 to be a major support area. I see that. Okay, I see that in the past, that if it holds, he's predicting it to go up to 60, and it might flop around there. I get it. The other analyst drew his little triangle, said momentum was going crazy to the upside. Well, that's definitely not true, right? We get through 60, we shoot up to 75, and then we could go up to 90 if we go through that. Again, we could. But again, all-time high is programmed. It hasn't hit an all-time high since, I believe, 2018. We're like 6 years. So the all-time high is definitely not programmed. don't even know what the hell that means. All I know is Bitcoin's moving. That's great, right? We need Bitcoin to break to an all-time high. And if XRP doesn't break to an all-time high, it's definitely not programmed. But if it doesn't break to an all-time high, then me personally, I'm going to start to second guess fucking XRP because I've been holding this bitch for a long time. It's my biggest crypto. Because again, hearing all this stuff, right? All these tweets, all these videos that I've been watching for years, they just keep constantly saying how great it is. So when I got into crypto, I believed them. All-time highs program, yeah, time will tell, but I don't even know what the hell that means. All right, hey, if you enjoyed that ripple effect, make sure you click right here on this one. Oh man, you're going to love that one.